So let's start look how we can use the Vlookup and if condition. So what we're going to do here is we have a situation where we have the fruits listed here and there will be a discount matching if we hit a certain quantity. In this case, if we have a quantity of 10, we will get a discount for that specific fruit. So let's look at this. So to do this, we'll be using the Vlookup and the if statement together. So we have here the melon, that will be the fruit we're going to select, and we have here now the quantity of 10. So what would be the discount that we get? In this case it is 10%, but let's start to use Vlookup to do this. So we're going to say here Vlookup, open parentheses, and I'll just click on this formula builder so you can easily have a visual. So you have here the lookup value, which is the fruit we selected, and that is the melon. The table array consists of the data of all the table where the Vlookup formula needs to extract the value. So we're going to select this table array, and then we have here the column index number, and the index number starts here with index 1, index 2, and index 3. In this case, it will be either if we have the 10 quantities, or quantity of 10, we get a discount, and if we have below that, we'll get no discount. So in this case, it will be column number 3 because we have a quantity of 10 defined already. Once we did that, we have here the range lookup. I'll set it on false because it will be an exact match. Click on done, and you can see here this works. However, if I change this number to 5, you see that this discount is not being considered to 0 because there is no, we are below the quantity or below the required quantity. So what I want to do here is now, well, basically I have to adjust that by saying number 2 here, done, and then it will change. But this needs to be dynamic and not what we're doing now. So how can we do this? Well, I'm going to use an if statement, and I'm going to just work from this cell here. I'm going to say equal if, and then what I'm going to do is the following. I'm going to say here, or I'm going to select this value and check what is the value here. So if this value is below 10, if that is true, I want to get column number 2. So I go to here, number 2. If that is not true or else, give me column number 3. Basically, if you have more or 10 or more, column number 3 should be shown. Once we did this, enter, we get here now the proper column. And very interesting, you can see here I'm making a mistake, my bad. This is the 5, so we need to change that. If this is smaller than number 10, then we get here the right column number. So if I have 10, we should see here number 3 because that's a discounted value. Alright, so this works, but now how can we make this dynamic? Well, we have here the function, or the formula, the if statement. I'm going to copy it all, then go here, click on the formula builder button. In here, I'm going to do the following. I'm going to paste what I just copied, but this is not allowed. We have this equal sign here. That's not allowed. So I need to remove the equal sign and just only put the formula of it and click on done. And once I did that, it shows here that we get a 10% discount. If I put it here, number 3, we get a 0% discount. And if I change the item to kiwi, there's 0% discount, and then if I make this 11, we get a 3% discount, which matches.